Hey, what's up everyone? Well, another video. Just doing something simple. I got this in the mail. It was sent to me. Show you here. Put it right here. Yeah, I got this in the mail here. It's a carbon fiber duckbill or spoiler, whatever you want to call it. Right now, I just got that in the mail. So I was like, cool. Guess I'll throw this on the car. So right now I'm kind of, cleaning up the back here. So I'm kind of like prepping this up a little bit, and I went ahead and washed the rear here and wiped it down and everything. And I'll probably use like an alcohol pad or something like that, or something to just keep cleaning it up. And then after that, go ahead and throw the wing on there. So it should come out pretty good. Yeah, just wanted to show you that. I don't know. I hate calling it a wing because it's not a wing. It's like a duckbill, which is smaller, or spoiler. I just think a wing. That's like one of those big freaking big things. I'm just like, yeah, nope, that's not what it is. So yeah, right now I'm gonna have to put some double side tape on it and go from there. Alright, just been clean on the wing here, pretty much all the way around. With this stuff, I did the whole thing practically already, so yeah, now I'm gonna apply I got 3M and I got Scotch, so I'm just gonna apply it wherever I can, and then should be good from there. I did clean the car, so then that will see how it goes. Alright, well, I didn't do it the other method, but I did it this way. So all the way around there, all the way around. So peel it off and just be really careful. I've set it on the car many times, so I should be able to get it in one shot, no problem. So see what happens. I did okay, decently. So I set it on there and I was really careful with it, but we'll see how it looks. There is some imperfections, like that right there, but I have this screwdriver that I'm going to use, this flathead, and cautiously push that stuff in there so you can't really see it. So if you have a little bit out, also have a little bit right in there. And I think there's a slight, it's hard to see, there's a little bit there. But yeah, I think it turned out pretty well. It definitely looks better. As you can see, that corner there, I have to kind of push it in more. But I'll shut the door here. Better look. But yeah. Not too shabby. So, and this video I have to edit. So I guess it was rolling the whole time, so I'm gonna have to fix that on the video. But I think it turned out pretty good. It's pretty let's say about even on that side. It's the best I can do. So I use 3M, and I also got the like Scotch, I think 3M. I know they're probably both the same, but I think the other stuff's a little bit more heavy dutier. So I threw that on there, the thick red tabs here, and I use this all the way around, and I just clean the car up a little bit, and yeah, that should be it. So just wanted to put this video out there, just a little bit of what I'm doing to the Supra, and I'm glad, you know, I got that piece sent out and applied to the car. So yeah, I just think that's it for now, and I don't know what else I want to do. I'm gonna reach out and see, like, maybe I can get something, I don't know, to do maybe like at least a lip or something. I'd say definitely like a lip. So I know my car's a little lowered, so I'm gonna see what I can do about a lip. Yeah. Alright guys, I think that's it for this video. Comment, like, and subscribe. Keep you updated on the things I'm doing to the cars, and you know, I try to push out a video every week. And yeah, I'd say that's pretty much it. So hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next one.